searching for images. We have already seen how we can search for information using the internet, and now we are going to see how we can search for images. And if we want to search for images, the first case is we should know the address of the website in which the images are stored. And suppose we are not sure about the website address, how can we search for these images? Here we are going to search for the image regarding cells. And if the website is not known, internet provides some other facilities to find out the information, and these facilities are called search engines. These search engines help us to find out without delay exclusively the required information, pictures, etc. from the huge information repository in World Wide Web. And now we will see how we can open the web browser and type the address of the search engine in the address bar, and how we will get the image of cell. For that, from applications we have to select internet, and from here we are selecting Firefox web browser. The web browser we are using is Firefox. And now we got the window, and here search we have to type the address of the search engine, and we are going to search in Google. So we are typing the address as www.google.com, and now we got the window of Google, and here we are going to type what we want to search for. And as I told you, we need images of cells, so we will select cell here, and then we will press the enter key, and now we got information and images regarding cells. And here we have millions of information regarding cells, and we will get that here how many results we have regarding cells. And here we have the images, we have the definition, and if we scroll down we have the videos regarding the cells. And these information, the different informations are documents, images, videos, everything are stored in different pages. Here we are having 10 different pages where we have the information regarding cells. And as I told you, we want the images, so we have to select images, and when you select the images you will get the different pictures of cells. And suppose we want to know about the books, then you have to select books, and we will get the names of the books. And if we want the videos, then we have to select videos. And suppose we want to know the latest news about cells, and then you have to select news, and then you will get news regarding cells. And now we will see how we can save an image. So we are selecting those images, and here we have different tabs. And if you want to see a plant cell, then you have to select plant. And suppose you want to see animal cells, we'll go back, and then here we have animal cells, animal. So if you select this animal, then we have the animal cells. So like this, whichever you want. And if you want more options from here, you can select. We have, so here we will select a human cell. Body. Here we have body. So we will see how we can save this. We will select this one. And when you click, you will get the picture here. And if you want to save this, we have to right click. And from here, we can select save image as. And when you select this, we have to give the destination where you want to save the cell. And here I am selecting desktop. And here you can give the name. I am giving the name as cell 1. Then save. And we will see whether we have saved that. Here we have that picture here. So we have saved that picture. And suppose, and in some cases, when we are selecting the picture, we won't be able to download the picture or save that picture. And what should we do? So when we are saving, we have to make sure that that image we can download from there. And that we have the copyright to download that picture. Some websites give us the right to copy the pictures, but some others do not. And what do you mean by copyright? The information, pictures, movies, sounds, etc. available on the internet are prepared as a result of the effort of different people. There may be some restrictions to use it on our own. Some of them have an exclusive right to the person who developed it based on the copyright law. But some are free for everyone to use. So while we search and use information from the internet, we must be aware whether it is free to use or not. If it is not free, we have to procure permission from the person or institution concerned to use it. And how can we know whether we have the right to copy that picture? Here, just like all images, books, here at this end we have tools, the tab tools. And when you select these tools, we will get the options. And we have to select usage right. When you click this usage right here, it is given as all. And that means we can save these pictures. But in some cases, we won't be getting like this. We will get other option labeled for some other options, and from that we have to select labeled for reuse with modification. And that means we can access pictures which are free to use or modify. And then only we have to select the picture and save it. And now here we have the definition for the cell. And if we want to see the information regarding cells in Wikipedia, we can select from here. And we will get the information that is stored in Wikipedia. So like this, we can save the images regarding not only cells, whatever images you need, you can save that image.